So can you sell a house that has a bad foundation? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Hey guys, welcome back. It's Eric Stanio from We Buy NKY Houses, where we buy houses for cash in Cincinnati and Northern Kentucky. And this morning, I'm here in Bond Hill, and which is just north off of I-71 off the Norwood Lateral here in Cincinnati, Ohio. And I was out to this house earlier talking to the seller, and the problem with this house is there's kind of like a bowl effect in the backyard, and the drainage has caused a lot of water to sit in the back, and that has then since caused some water coming in the basement and some cracking and some damage to the foundation. And a lot of people find themselves in this situation where you have a bad foundation, you have some cracking, maybe some shifting, and now what can you do? Are you going to be stuck with the property? And there's a couple of problems that come up when you have a bad foundation. You can try to put it on the market, but you have to disclose the fact that there's issues with the foundation, and most buyers are going to be scared off. They're not going to want to buy a house with a bad foundation, or if they do, they're going to want to buy it at a significant discount. So that puts you in a bad spot. You can try to put it on the market, but now you're having to list and get the home ready to sell, and you might be on the market for weeks and months, and you continually get bad feedback, from buyers and agents, and it's just a really frustrating, emotionally, draining situation that you're in trying to sell a home that has some foundation issues. And another issue with it is, another problem that comes up is the foundation may very well be able to be fixed. And what I would recommend is, if you have foundation issues with the house, get a structural engineer out and get a quote from, in Cincinnati, a great company is Basement Doctor, who does a lot of repairs, can put in piers, potentially can do different things to adjust and fix the basement. And especially if you can get a lifetime warranty with that, that's even better. But at least get that quote. I mean, a problem that a lot of people have is once they get that quote, the cost to repair that foundation might be $10, $15, $20, $25,000. Who knows? It can be really high. And so what can you do? How can you actually sell the house if it has foundation issues? Well, one thing you can do is contact someone like myself, a cash buyer or investor. And what you need to realize is that a cash buyer can help you sell the home and can help you sell it quickly, but they need to pay for the foundation to be repaired too. Plus, they're going to want to make a profit on the house. So it's a solution to the problem, which is to call an investor to get the home sold, and then the investor buys it and goes and fixes the basement. Then they do all the other repairs that might be needed on the house to get it fixed up and sold for the most value possible. So that's a solution as well. But can you sell a home with a bad foundation? Yes. It's going to be more difficult for sure, and you might need to take a bigger discount, but it can be done. You can put it on the market as is and sell for less, or you can call up a cash investor like us at We Buy NKY Houses. Give us a call, 859-412-1940. I hope this video was helpful. If so, like and subscribe, and I appreciate you guys for watching. Have a great day.